Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about access specifiers or access modifiers in Apex. There are four access modifiers in Apex. One is a public, one is private, one is protected, and another more is global. Coming to public, if you specify a class members, suppose this is a class and public static, this is the method and this is the classing member. If you specify this class member with public, this method will be accessible in this class. Suppose there is another class test class 2 and this method can be accessible from that class as well. So if you want to invoke a group member from another class also, we can specify this public variable, public access modifiers. Next, coming to private, this is a default access modifier. If you don't define any access modifiers in the class member, then it will take private as a default. So what happens this private, if you defined any access modifier, it will take private. What happens in this private is, if you specify the access modifier as private, this method or this class member is available only in this class. It cannot be accessible from another class. Next one is the protected. Coming to this protected, if you keep the access modifier as protected, so this class or this class member is accessible from derived classes or child classes. Suppose there is a class within the class. Let's say class text2. So this protected class can be accessible within the class. So that's why we use this protected class member. Next one is the global. So global access modifier is if you specify a class members with the global access modifiers, that class member can be accessible within the class. And if any another class like text, this class name is text class, there is one more class as text class 2, this global method is accessible by another method as well. This global method is accessible by another class and it can be accessible from outside our organization. As suppose our organization, my developer account namespace is niche with 5. There is another developer account, so I want to use this method in that org class, so I can access this method using this global access specifiers, and so on we have to create a web service from this method. So in that way we can access this method in another org class as well. These are the access specifiers in Apex. If you have any query, please do comment. Thank you.